I just had to restart that broadcast again. So we are broadcasting again. Hopefully this is still the same one. Maybe I'll just email the professor and let him know two parts if he doesn't see it, or if it cut out and picked up again a minute later. So, okay. So did you come up with anything in that off the air?
No. I was thinking maybe what we should do is go to the answer key and then see, which answers are right and which ones are wrong, and then maybe we can, see if we need to improve anything.
Yeah, we could try that. I'm just realizing also though that it's 9:17 and we
Yeah.
still have to go to the second one. So
Okay, yeah, let's just do that. I didn't realize how late it was. I got like 5 more minutes, and then I gotta get
gotta
going.
split. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this video is all right. Now we are officially starting week 9, due date 2 for the instructor's benefit. Okay. And for those, okay, let me
Sorry,
try and.
it cut out.
What was that?
Sorry, I cut out for a second. I didn't.
Oh, that's okay. I'm going to try and screen share with you again here.
Okay.
So this is the week 9 lesson 2 prep, and there's a lot of those. So I'm going to start right here with question number 1. I got through about, let's see, I didn't get all the way through. I got through where did I get to? I got at least through question 3. I think I started on 4.
Okay.
For that first one, I'm just gonna, since we don't have a lot of time, I'm just gonna tell you the answers I got. Were you able to work on any of those?
No, I wasn't able to start any of these equations.
Okay. So this first one was $8,753.70. The principal money invested was $5,000 at an account of 5.6%, which if you do that in a decimal, it becomes 0.056. And that comes out to be, let's see, let's see, how did I do that? Oh, yeah. So I did that equation, A equals P times 1 plus R over N times to the NT. I just plugged in the variables that we had. 5,000 is the principal, and 0.56 was or 0.056, sorry, was the rate, and E was N, and the time was 10 years. at a quarterly compound each year, so 4 times a year. So yeah, my equation came out to be 5,000 times 1 plus 0.056 over 4 to the 4 times 10 power, which is the 40th power. And figuring that out, I came up with 0.056 divided by 4 was 0.7507. So it becomes 1.7507. You multiply that by the principal of 5,000, you get $8,753.70. So that was the answer I got.
Okay.
The second one, loaf of bread. With continuous compounding, find the time it would take for the cost to triple at an annual inflation rate. And so we're basically using the same time and things like that. The time that I came up with was almost 22 years, 21.9722 years for it to triple the cost of a loaf of bread at a 5% inflation rate.
Okay.
So, yep. So I had 9722 years, almost 22 years. And then for all right. And then for number 4, oh, so I skipped 3 because I didn't understand that one very well. For number 4, we figured out the half-life. That one took me a lot to figure that one out. So half-life is the time it takes for an amount to decrease by half of its original amount. And if 15 grams of radioactive waste reduces to 10 grams of radioactive waste after 1,000 years, then what is the half-life for this radioactive element? The answer that I came up with was 1,732 years, or excuse me, 1,732.86 years. So
Okay.
I used this equation right here. I don't understand any of those things really, but I was able to plug stuff in. So even if I didn't understand the rules there, I understood what numbers to put in. So this YO is the original, or excuse me, the total amount of grams that we started with. So YO is the 15 grams. The Y is equal to the 10 grams that we came up with after 1,000 years. And the time, T, was 1,000 years. So the only variable we needed to find was this K. And that I came up with, so we needed to find 2 things, K, and then the time, once we found K, the new time of the half-life of 15 grams. So going down to 7.5 grams. And so the K I came up with was negative 0.0004. And the time, again, 1,732.86 years. So a long time.
1,732.
Yep, 1,732.86 years.
Okay.
So almost 1,733.
Okay.
And that's as far as I got. I did not do 5 or 6, but those actually don't look like they're too bad. Those are just basic problems without actually any variable input. You just have to solve for t
Yeah,
and
doesn't look too bad.
q2. So there's those. Oh, but we do have this week 9 lesson 2 homework assignment quiz that we do need to take it together as a team. So let me pull that up. And we'll take this together, and I guess that'll be the last of our evening tonight, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
All right. Let's do this. Oh wait,
I don't know if you need to do this on your end as well, but
this looks
oh,
like
hello.
the like self-grading assessment quiz thing.
Oh, yeah, okay. Well, in that case, I don't know why it said that we need to do that together, but that's okay. I guess we're done then. So,
Awesome. I feel
all
like
right.
this was a pretty productive group meeting. I know that I learned a lot, so thank you.
Welcome. Thanks for joining me. We missed Mike, and we'll have to let him know that we'd like to see him again soon. And
Yeah, hopefully he feels better. Well, I guess
all right.
brother came in tonight.
Yeah, that stomach flu's a pain.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well,
All
hey,
right.
have a good night, man.
Well, thanks. You too. See you, Cameron.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. See you next time.
Bye.